everybody, my name's Allison. I'm the Programs Outreach and Youth Services Manager here at Monterey County Free Libraries, and today I'm here with our Self-Care Sunday video where we're going to make some face masks. I'm going to teach you how to make 2 face masks using ingredients that you probably already have at home. Then I'm going to show you how to apply them, and hopefully you'll be able to make some face masks yourself. For our first mask, we're going to use 3 ingredients: coconut oil, lemon juice, and honey. And this mask is for getting rid of dirt, toxins, and acne-causing bacteria. And all of these ingredients have antibacterial properties that will help to achieve that goal. So for this recipe, you're going to start off with 2 teaspoons coconut oil, which we've already added into our bowl. Then you're going to do half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Add that in, and then half a teaspoon of honey. The first time that somebody told me to use honey on my skin for my acne, I thought they were crazy because it seems very counterintuitive to put honey on an oily, acne-prone face. But as I said at the beginning, honey has antibacterial properties that help to fight off some of that acne-causing bacteria. So it is in a lot of face mask recipes for acne, and a lot of people also swear by doing a honey rinse with warm water to cleanse their face at night. So it sounds weird, but it does work, so it's worth a try. After you have all your ingredients in the bowl, you're just gonna mix them together so that they get nice and incorporated. This recipe only makes 1 mask, so it's not going to look like a lot, but it is good for one go and doesn't use a lot, so you can do this often without wasting a lot of ingredients. Okay. So once you have all your ingredients mixed together, you're going to be ready to apply your mask. The first step for any face mask is that you want to make sure your face is nice and clean. So use whatever cleanser you use on a regular basis and give your face a good wash first. Then you're going to apply this and leave it on for 30 minutes. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes, so what you're going to do now is you're going to rinse your face with warm water and then use a clean washcloth to dry it off. And I always recommend wearing a nice robe while you're doing a face mask or other face application that could drip, because as you might have seen in my time-lapse video of me applying it, some of it did drip around, so you want to make sure that you're wearing something that can go in the wash pretty easily afterwards if you do drip. So for that mask, which was to help us get rid of some dirt and toxins on our face that could cause some acne, you're going to want to try that twice a week for about a month, and then you should start to notice some changes in your complexion. And also, if you want to add a 4th ingredient to that mask, you could add a drop or so of your favorite essential oil. The next mask that we're going to do is all about hydrating your face, and it's going to use 3 ingredients again. We're going to use a banana, honey, and aloe vera gel. This mask also calls for avocado, but I can't really bear the idea of wasting an avocado on a face mask and not in my guacamole. So if you don't want to use an avocado or you don't have an avocado, you can double the amount of banana that's being used or try mixing in some plain yogurt. Alright, so as I said, for this mask you're going to use a whole banana. The recipe calls for half, but since I'm not using avocado or yogurt, I'm going to do the whole banana. And then you're going to do a teaspoon of the aloe vera gel. And the brands that I have in this video, you don't have to use those. Those just happen to be what I have at home. So these masks and exfoliants are supposed to be all about using what you have at home. So just use whatever you have available. It doesn't matter what brand it is. So you're going to do the teaspoon of aloe vera and then a teaspoon of honey. You can cut. Once you have all your ingredients together in a bowl, you're going to mash them together to get them all mixed up and get that banana nice and mashed down. Once you have all your ingredients mixed up and mashed together, you're going to want to apply this face mask while you're lying down with a towel under your head to catch any of it that might drip off while you're waiting for it to absorb. So this mask looks a little weird while it's on, but you're going to want to keep it on for 5 to 10 minutes and try to keep your head as still as possible while it's on. So So once it's been about 5 to 10 minutes, you're going to rinse it off with warm water and wipe down with a clean washcloth. So that mask, like I said, is good for hydrating your skin. So you want to do that about once a week during the colder months to get your skin hydrated. It can be a little hard to put on by yourself, so you might want a helper. So while you lay there with the towel under your head, they can help you evenly distribute the mask. Also, the banana in that mask is pretty chunky, so for the sake of your bathroom sink, I would recommend scraping some of that off and throwing it in the trash can before you rinse your face. I hope you enjoyed watching me make some face masks today and that you're inspired to try and make your own beauty products at home during our shelter in place. I got my recipes from this book, Good Clean Beauty, and if you want to look through some books for your own beauty ideas, I would highly encourage you to check out the library's Zip Books program. Zip Books is a completely free program that the library offers through Amazon where you get books delivered directly to your door from Amazon. So for more information on that and to fill out a request form, visit our website, www.emcfl.org. Thanks and have a nice week.